Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn that what is this Google Jamboard and how to use it in our Android smartphone. So here we have a few points to discuss. Number one, it is an app by Google. It simply means it is free and it is secure. Overall, it is freely available on the Play Store and is secured by Google Security. It means it is a reliable application. Here I have written the professional app means Jamboard can be used in the professional activities like in private job, school, colleges or meetings, discussions, like wherever the professional world is related, we can use the Jamboard at that place. Number two, it is very similar app to MS PowerPoint or Google Slide. So like PowerPoint and Google Slide, it is also a presentation software. What are presentation software? They are the software which are used to present something. It can be ideas, thoughts, or anything, like you can present your product also in the front of people or meeting or in discussion. We can use this Jamboard on the place of PowerPoint or Google Slide. Number three is it is more of pictures, not of text. It can be explained in two ways. Like the first is there are very few options through which we can insert the text, but there are a lot of options to insert the picture. Number two, that the Jamboard is very suitable, becomes suitable when you have to present your ideas in the form of pictures, not in the text, because there are already the softwares PowerPoint and Google Slide which gives us the utility to present the text, but the Jamboard is only made for pictures, not for text. So use the Jamboard for pictures only. Number four, we can insert picture. So picture can be inserted by camera directly and gallery. Gallery means we can select it from our device. Next is we can insert sticky notes. What are sticky notes? They are like a colorful slip of paper on which we can write something, the text, and can place it anywhere on Jamboard or paste it anywhere in the Jamboard. Next we have document presentation. So we can insert the documents and presentation from this Google Drive only. There is no way that we can insert this document and presentation. If you have already created a document using Google Docs or Google Slide, you can insert this in the Jamboard from Google Drive where we have the option. So we can use this utility provided by Jamboard to present already created documents and presentation to the people. The next, the last, the most important is it can also be used as whiteboard. Means it is a great application for the teachers who want to teach the student. They can write on the whiteboard using pens and eraser. We have pens and eraser available in this application, so we can use it in order to write something to explain something to the group of people in a very clear way. So this can be also used as whiteboard. Moreover, there are some pros and cons of this application. The cons are like we cannot save our Jamboard anyhow, means we cannot save it in a proper file format. The pros are like we can share the Jamboard. We can share the Jamboard in three formats only. The links, we can share the link, we can share the image, or we can share the PDF of this Jamboard to other people. So if you want to share this Jamboard, you can share. The next, we have utility to create editable link. What are editable link? The editable link are the link that you can share with others in order to work together. Like if you want to do group work where everyone is allowed to insert their thought or ideas in the same Jamboard at the same time, you can create editable link. To create editable link, follow the steps shown in this phone. So like this, we can create the editable link and can share to our friends, colleagues, or whosoever you want to edit this Jamboard. So that was all for this video. I hope you find this video interesting, helpful. If yes, then like the video. And also, if you are new to this channel or watching my videos for the first time, do subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to never miss any update of useful and professional application videos on the YouTube. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for watching the full video. See you soon in my next video.